Hey there, assalamualaikum, welcome to my another video of Presenter-Abrar. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use our website. First, I'm going to show you how to use a PC, and then I'm going to show you how to use a mobile Android. Okay, first open any browser, Chrome, Bing, Netscape, Opera, and so on. Then what you're going to do, you're going to search for, you're going to type cousingirls.com. Cousingirls.com. You're going to search for cousin girls.com, then press enter. Then you're gonna be in our website. Here you will see a lot of videos. You can also subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking on this icon here. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna open a new tab here. Here you can see our YouTube channel here. So now what you're gonna do, you can just visit any video here. So you can just click on recent videos and click on that. And if you don't find any video, what you're gonna do, you're gonna search here. Like I want some video of WhatsApp. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna search for WhatsApp in the search bar. Then you're gonna get the videos which WhatsApp made. Okay, then I'm gonna search for Adi here of my Muhammad. So you're gonna search for them, then the name. Then you will get the videos they have made. Like I'm gonna also remember. So I also made some video. To visit this video, just go to cousingirls.com. Okay, now what you could do, you can just click on this icon here to go back. Here you can go to the About Us section here. Here About Us section. If you go to the About Us section, you can know about our theme, our background. Then if you want to know about the theme, just click on that and you see on here. Like I want to visit WhatsApp, so I'm just click WhatsApp. Here, as you can see, here WhatsApp. Here is about WhatsApp. And now if you wish to comment, you can just comment here. Just click on the box here. I will just write wow. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on publish and select your account. Give an offline account. Then it will show publishing. And then here it is, it is showing our. Okay, now if you want any help or support from us, what you should do, you just click on this contact us. Okay, now if you just click on contact us, here you will find a form here, name, last name, your email, or your IMOD. You have to verify that we have to know that you're a robot. Okay, then you can just click on that here. Now here in the left sidebar, the right sidebar, you can see a section here, top rated. These are the top videos on our website and YouTube channel. If I go here, now I will also videos and most watched video. Here you will see some videos, and here you will see featured videos. And then you will see some popular posts and popular videos. Here you can see some labels here. Just if you don't want to search here Adian, just scroll down and here you can see we have a section separately from Adian from Homer, like I want Homer. Here it is. I've seen more videos. Now after you search, you will just click on that video. Okay, now here you will see a play button. You will just play from here. Okay, now you can share it by any of these platforms, Facebook, Plus, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. You can just share from here, and if you also and you can see related videos here. Okay, so this is our website, how to use it in the PC. Now I'm going to show you how to use it in mobile. No facecam for the mobile version because I'm using the same mobile for recording. So what you should do now, you just go into your browser. Now in here you will search the same web address. Just search cousingirls.com here. Okay, sorry, cousingirls.com. And after that you will be redirected into our website. Here you will see a really bad interface here. What you should do, you just go down and click on this icon here, view web version. You just gonna click on that here. And after that, you will see a really smooth version, like this version. Okay, now what you could do, you just go like if you wanna go to a page, you just click on select here. Here you can see our team here, contact page here. Okay, that's if you see any kind of this interface, like if you scroll down and find view web version, you just gonna click on every time if you find. If you don't find it, you're good. Now you can view your YouTube channel by clicking on this YouTube button up there. Then you could just visit our YouTube channel. You can subscribe. Okay, then I'm gonna go down back here. Okay, now to view a video, you can just go to top videos, recent videos, any videos. Like if you want to view some videos from here, you can just click on featured. Like I want videos from I'm just myself. Then you will see videos from myself. And if you want to search, okay, now I'm going to go back to the browser. Okay, now here you can see a really cool interface here. You can search here, search here, search even here. Like search option is disabled on mobile because you can view easily from here. That feature from where like I'm gonna view top videos. This is gonna click on top. To view any video, like I'm gonna view this Mahat's video, so I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna scroll down here. Here I will see this kind of interface here. So now what will I do? I will rotate the screen to here, this kind of, and I'm going to play this video. Okay, I'm going to pause this video. Sorry. Okay, you get this video while you get a view screen. Just prefer that you will view from a fixed screen because normally you will see. So I'm going to go back to the page here. Here I will see this kind of interface again. So just click on view web version here. Every time if you see view web version, you have to always click on that. Select here I can't see anything here. You can just click on this video, like I'm going to see my video here myself. Here I'm seeing this bad interface here, not responsive like this, like it's not covering the full page. Here you will, I'm going to scroll down and click on view web version. If you see this kind of interface, just scroll down and click on view web version. Now just rotate the phone and here you can see. Okay, now to get back to the home page, just click on our logo here. So you can just discover our website here. This is awesome. Okay, so that's all much for this video presentation. So bye bye guys, stay home, stay safe, bye. Subscribe to Cousin Guys, like this video, and go to this